Think Beyond Me. And so finally, we are uploading this first video for this channel. And I hope you will like this video, and many more upcoming videos are there. So, before understanding any topic inside the science, you need to understand that subject first, like what exactly science is. And I'm not talking about only science, like any subject, if you're studying any topic you're studying, so you need to understand that subject first, like what exactly that mean. So, for the science, you can say like it consists of special kind of knowledge, and I'll give you the example also. And first, I'll give you the definition. Okay, so science is exactly the process of learning and understanding the nature, life, and the universe. And how you will understand that through observation, experiments, and evidence. Okay, so for example, if I'll say uh, if you are curious about the things like why it is happening and what exactly it is, and you are collecting facts as well, okay, and from your understanding you're finding the answers. So for example, if I'll say why this rainfall happens, okay, and suppose you have seen like you have seen plants are growing, okay, then why and like how they are growing, so you're curious about these things, okay. And if I'm taking an object and it was falls down, so how you will understand like why it is falling down. So when you are curious about the things and you are trying to find out the answers, so this also includes the science. So this is the subject, and inside the subject we'll study about physics, chemistry, biology, and many more upcoming videos are there. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you like this video. Thank you.